Okay, episode 1. Today we have chicken Alfredo. These are noodles. Okay. My friend Mitchie over here. Bring in your fork. Hi. Okay. Just gonna grab a little piece of chicken here.
The sustenance of the sauce is pretty good.
Yeah, good point, good point.
Get that to focus,
Yeah. What do you think of the chicken? I think,
The chicken? It's chewy, but it works.
Chewy, but it works. Okay. I'm going to take this big piece right here. Almost done. I give it a 6 out of 10. Check us out next time. Bye.